referee reaches into his pocket. The whole stadium holds its breath. Which card comes out, and what does it actually mean? Most fans think they know. Most fans are wrong. Because there are more cards in football than the two you're picturing right now. So let's break down every single one. The yellow card. Start with the famous one. The yellow card is a caution, a warning. The referee is telling a player to calm down before things get worse. You get a yellow for a hard foul, for diving, for wasting time, for arguing too much, for pulling a shirt to stop a counterattack. One yellow and you keep playing, but you play nervous. One wrong move and your day is over. And here is the part that haunts players. Yellow cards stack across a tournament. Pick up 2 in the group stage and you sit out the next match. You don't even need a red. The yellows do it for you. The red card. Now the big one. Red means you're gone. Off the pitch, down the tunnel. Your team plays the rest of the match with 10 men. There are 2 ways to see red. The first is a straight red, a horror tackle, violent conduct, spitting, a deliberate handball that denies a certain goal. The referee skips the warning and sends you straight off. The second is the slow death. 2 yellows in one match equals a red. The referee shows the second yellow, then the red right after. Same result, you're done. A red card changes everything. 10 men defend deeper, run harder, and pray. And the suspension carries into the next game too. The green card. Here's one most casual fans have never heard of. The green card barely exists at the top level, but it's real. It was trialed in lower leagues in Italy. The green card rewards honesty. A player admits he dived, or tells the referee the ball went out off his own team. The referee shows green as if to say, "Well done, that's the right thing." It never made it to the World Cup. Fans found it odd, but it shows football once tried to reward fair play, not just punish fouls. The white card. Then there's the white card. Even rarer. Portugal made history with this one. In a Women's Cup match, a referee produced a white card, not for a player, but for sportsmanship. Both benches had assisted a sick fan in the crowd. The referee acknowledged the gesture. The stadium applauded. The white card isn't in the official rulebook, but it made headlines everywhere. People love the idea of a card that says thank you instead of you're punished.